So in last class, we were discussing about the document splitting. So document splitting is one of the feature in NewGL, and I have also explained what are other features available in NewGL. Okay, so one of the very famous feature is document splitting. So before understanding the document splitting, you have to also understand profit center. So let's say to prepare the financial statement, eight company code label, this is the mandatory. So anyway, you'll be preparing the trial balance, P&L, balance sheet, 8 company code label, that is mandatory. Okay. Now other than that, if you want to prepare any additional financial statement at any other organizational unit label, then SAP has given 3 options: profit center, business area, and segment. Okay, at this level also, these are also like company code. These will also give you the financial statement. At profit center level you can prepare, business area level you can prepare, and segment level also you can prepare. Now business area is not much use. Okay, because if there is any changes in the business area, it is configurable thing. Okay, segment is also not much use, but few company are still using, but profit center using is a mandatory. Okay, now profit center is very carefully, yesterday also I have explained. So profit center doesn't have any fixed value. What is equal to profit center? What is equal to profit center? Branch is equal to profit center, plant is equal to profit center, product is equal to profit center, location is equal to profit center. What is equal to profit center? That nobody can say until unless you ask the question to the business. Other than company code label, at what other label you want to do the reporting, or at what other label you want to prepare the financial statement. Okay, so based on IFRS and US GAAP, they will be knowing at what other label they have to do the financial statement reporting. So they will tell, I need to prepare my financial statement based on plant label, based on product label, based on location label, based on branch label, and many more. So that is called to become your profit center. Okay, so you cannot take your own decision that okay, profit center is equal to product. No, that business will decide based on what they want to prepare their financial statement based on their IFRS and GAAP rules, because doing the segmental reporting is IFRS and GAAP requirement. So they may be knowing at what level they have to prepare the financial statement other than company code. Okay, either branch label, plant label, any location label, or function label. Function label means production label, sales label, marketing label, or division label, or product group label. So business will decide. Business will decide. Just a minute. Is it clear? This point is clear. First of all, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so let me give the definition first for profit center. So profit center It is also organizational unit, okay, which evaluates or gives you the, which helps you to evaluate the performance of specific unit of organization. Okay, so here helps you to evaluate the performance, means it will help you. How you'll evaluate? You'll get the financial statement. Looking at the financial statement, you can check how my branch is performing. If branch is equal to profit center, you are doing. Plant is equal to profit center, you are doing. Location is equal to some you may create. Okay, or function means your production, sales, marketing, that is equal to, okay, function, or your product or product group. Okay, not only just product and service, both product and service line. Okay, so this is how you have to decide. Now sometime business may say that want to evaluate at branch level also, I want to evaluate at product level also. They may say they want to evaluate at multiple level. Okay, in that scenario you can use other this tool also. Let's say profit center is equal to product, if you are using, then maybe business area is equal to branch you can use. Okay, or business area is equal to plant you can use, or segment is equal to something else you can use. So three tool SAP has given. There are, you can create your own custom field also. Other than this also you can use. There is fund center and many more are there, but I don't want to go in that detail because most of the companies are using the profit center. So it will suffice your need, but in case if you need other than this also you can create it. Okay, so this is the thing SAP has given, guys. Now you are very clear now that you want to create the financial statement either at branch level, plant level, location level, function level, product and service line level. Now how can you create, how can you get the financial statement at this level? So this is the feature which will help you to give the financial statement at the profit center level. So here profit center is equal to what you have done, that level I can say. So profit center is equal to branch, if you have created, then I can say I'll get the financial statement at the branch level, or I may in simple language I'll say I'll get the financial statement as profit center level. Profit center is equal to what, that you have to decide with the business. Business has to take decision based on their IFRS and GAAP policy, based on which level they have to do the segmental reporting. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Hello? Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear.
Okay. Now
Yes,
try
sir.
to understand. So whenever you post the document, okay, what are the ways you derive this profit center? Okay, so profit center you can derive. See here, how profit center will come in the line item. Okay, how can you derive profit center in the line item? So first, from the cost subjects. From the cost subjects means you have given the profit center in the cost center. So when you enter the cost center here, profit center will automatically come. Okay, if you enter cost center, profit center will come. Or you enter the profit center into the WBS. Okay, there are some WBS you'll understand. There are something called internal order. Okay, and many more are there. So as of now, I'm remembering this many. So this the profit center will derive from this one. Then if you are purchasing material, material you are purchasing, let's say your material directly purchasing, okay, inventory you are purchasing, in the material master also you can give the profit center. So from the material master it will derive the profit center. So one is material master. Other thing is that you can default the profit center. In some scenario we can't derive the profit center, so we default the profit center for some GLs, that if this GL comes, this profit center should come always. Okay, so there is one T called FAGL 3KEH. This is basically we do for the balance sheet GL. We default for the balance sheet GL. Okay, so if there are some balance sheet GL where PC you don't want to derive, you don't want to enter, there are some situation where you will not have option also to enter. Okay, you will get to know slowly. There are some transaction where you don't have option itself to enter the PC for some balance is GL. So in that scenario you can default the profit center in this T codes. Okay, so these are, as of now there are many other ways, but these are the which you will be using. So in this way you can derive the profit center in the line item. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Hello? Is
Sir,
it
one
clear?
question.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in
Yes.
our vendor line item also we need to give a profit center.
Not possible. So let me write here.
In a GL view it is showing.
So that I have not entered, right? It is splitting and coming, right?
Okay.
So
Yes.
at the entry view level, you cannot enter at the vendor or customer level. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right?
Yes.
But in the GL view, it will split the vendor line item. It will come the GL. Okay. GL view. It will come then PC. Okay.
Okay.
Right here, master data, because you have asset master, material master. So master, from master data. Okay. I'll not write material master. I'll better write here. Example, let's say material master, then asset master. Okay, like this.